Are you tired of struggling through your studies without any help? Well, have no fear, because AI is here. That's right, artificial intelligence is not just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's real, it's here, and it can revolutionize the way you learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can benefit students in their studies. But we're not just going to give you a boring lecture. We've got some surprises in store for you, so stick around. Are you tired of feeling like you're not making any progress in your studies? Do you want to learn faster, better, more efficiently? Well, then buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride into the world of AI. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Let's get started.
So number one in the list is called ChatGPT. As you can see here, I'm already at the ChatGPT site. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account. It's absolutely free. When you create an account, you'll be presented with this interface, and here is where you'll type your question, whichever question you want to ask. It will be able to generate for you a question and respond in a way that you'll think that it's another person who is talking to you. It's so much very great. It is so much awesome. So for example, imagine you as a student, you wanted to study for an exam. You can just ask ChatGPT. You can ask, what are some effective techniques for exam, what what are some effective study techniques for an exam? So you can just type that question over here, what are some effective study techniques as exam. When you click enter, it will generate for you the answers to that particular question that you have asked. As you can see, it is generating. It's so much great. It is a powerful tool that is saving a lot of people in various sectors. So for you as a student, this tool is very great, very important. I recommend you to go and check it out. When you ask a particular question, whichever question you ask, in what area, even you can ask it to generate for you a schedule. It will generate for you a schedule. If you want it to if you want to do some workout, you can tell it to generate for you a workout plan. It will be able to generate for you to reach your goal. So as you can see here, we have asked it a question, what are some effective study techniques? You see, it is giving us a very good answer. As you can see, it's telling us to do active studying, practice testing. As you can see, it is giving us great response, and you can also regenerate an answer, and it will give you another response, which is so much great for you as a student to be able to use this tool. I recommend you to go and check it out, and you'll have the best time with it. So number 2 in the list is umata.ai. Umata.ai, I had opened it already over here. So with this umata.ai, you can be able to upload a document. You upload a document, and by that document, you can go over here. You can come over here and ask what particular question you want. It will be able to generate for you that particular question that you have asked according to that PDF. So as you can see, I had uploaded this PDF called multiplexing. I can just go back and upload again so that you can see. Let me go again and upload as you have seen, I've dropped a file over there. Here is a file that I've dropped. I've dropped a file here, and humata.ai, as you can see, it has opened my document. It has opened my document, so it is counting. Give it some seconds. Give it some seconds. Yeah, and it has already uploaded my file. It has already uploaded my document, so you can go ahead and open after uploading. And when you enter over here, you'll find that it has provided you with in your left, it has provided you with that document. As you can see, here is this icon. When you click this icon, it's going to tell you to create it's telling you to create a folder. So you can go ahead and create a folder. I had already created a folder. So when you create a folder, for me, here is my folder. So over here you can upload a document. You can go ahead and upload a document. When you upload a document, that particular document, it will you'll be able to see it over here. So when you upload that document to this particular folder, you'll be able to see it over here. And when you go here, you click open to open that document, you'll be able to see over here, you'll be able to see your document. And here is where you can ask any question that you want. According to this PDF, it will be able to generate for you answers that are according to this PDF. So as you can see, my document is about multiplexing, so I can go here and ask a question. For example, I ask what is multiplexing. Can ask what is multiplexing. When I click enter, it's going to scan through the whole document and it will generate for me an answer that is directly from this PDF. So as you can see, it has given me a response, what is multiplexing. And as you can see at the bottom here is giving me the reference pages of where it has gotten the answers from. So as you can see, page 3, 4, and page 5 and 6, there is where it has gotten the definition for what is multiplexing. As you can see, it is a very great tool which will help you as a student. So number 3 in the list is called Excel Formularizer. So here is Excel Formularizer. As a student, Excel Formularizer is a very great tool. When you are using Excel and you wanted to use a formula that, for example, you have forgot, you can just go or you can just go to Excel Formularizer, ask that you can type over here. As you can see, here is the text area. You can just type over there and ask for that particular formula, and it will be able to give you that particular formula that you want. For example, let me ask a question. For example, let's suppose I had forgotten a formula for doing addition in Excel. So I can go over here, you go over there, you just type, you say type give me a formula for addition, and go over there and write there, give me a formula for addition, and you click submit. As you can see over here, it is giving you the formula for addition. So when you want to sum up, you want to add some values in Excel, you can go, and you don't know that particular formula, you can go over to Excel Formularizer and ask what particular formula you want. It will be able to give you the formula. You just type there which formula you want. You just ask there what formula you want, and it will be able to give you that formula after you have submitted over here. So it is a very great tool to help you as a student. I recommend you to go and check it out. Number 4 in the list, it's called Teach Anything. So I had opened it also. So Teach Anything is a very great tool also, which will help you as a student to be able to ease your work. For example, when you want to ask any question that you want, also in here in Teach Anything, as you can see, it is using GPT 3.5 Turbo. So it can be able to, you can also be able to ask it a question and it will be able to give you an answer in whichever language that you want. So the advantage with this is that it's able to give you answers with according to what language you are. So as you can see here, there are various languages. You can select whichever languages you want, and with the language that you have given it, it will be able to generate for you answers in that particular language with a great explanation. You can set the difficulty. If it is easy, if it is professional, you can be able to do it. So you can go over here and ask just any question. Let's say you want
a plan. Give me a plan for doing my workout. There is a typo here, so I'm going to clear that. So
over here, I just want English. Let me just set easy level and I can generate answer. So as you can see, it is generating for me answers: warm up, strength exercise, cardio. It is going really fast. This is a very great model that will be able to help you as a student. You have a question, just type over there question, select the language that you want, select the difficulty that you want it to explain to you, and boom, over there, here it gives you all the answers that you want in a way that is very friendly and it's easy for you. So number 5 in the list is called Tom.app. This is a presentation artificial intelligence tool. I had talked about it in my previous video. I recommend you to go and check it out. I'll link it in the description. You can go and check it out. In that video, I've explained in detail how Tom is able to make your work easy. So over here, you can go here and create. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account. It's absolutely free. After creating an account, you can come over here, you click create over there, and by this, when you just open create, it will open for you this this window, and by here, with this window, you can be able to type whichever presentation that you want. You can just give it a prompt of what particular presentation you want, and it will be able to generate for you the presentation according to your prompt. So for example, let's say I wanted a presentation of how artificial intelligence has been of use to students. So I can just ask that prompt. So I can type, how has artificial intelligence been of use to students? So you write your prompt over there. There is a typo here, so let me correct. So after writing your prompt over here, you just go, after writing your prompt, you click enter.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next video, where we'll be discussing even more AI tools for students that can help you achieve academic success. From organizing your schedule to improving your writing skills and mastering a new language, these tools can transform the way you learn and study. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.